Here at Canwil Textiles, we use innovative processes to bring your desired patterns to life with the benefits of computer-enhanced precision and a human touch. When we provide our personalized consultations, we are able to determine the best fabric type, size, and equipment needed to bring your idea to life. In a recent project, we worked with a customer who had the idea to make custom sunshades to attach to hard hats at his electrical company. Once we discuss our client's needs, we get to work digitizing the pattern. Our equipment scans sample designs provided by clients and enables us to produce a virtual model of each shape, automatically identifying every line, corner, and notch, while instantly digitizing the design. Our pattern digitizer is compatible with all major CAD/CAM systems, which gives us plenty of options to refine and manipulate your digital patterns. Our team then works to fine-tune the digital scan and make adjustments as necessary to add notches and seam lines. Then, it is sent back to our customer to confirm that it is perfectly tailored to their needs. After you approve the digital design, we power up our equipment and bring it to life. Our CNC machine automatically sizes and cuts out your design pattern and allows us to produce as many units as you need, while we intuitively nest the patterns to make the most of every inch of fabric to minimize our waste and maximize your savings. Once the pieces are electronically cut out, we sew them together on-site based on your desired configurations and ship them out to you. Our entire process is designed to be fast, efficient, accurate, and done right here in the USA. We have a dedicated and skilled manufacturing workforce and sophisticated automated machines to fulfill your cut and sew requests. Canwil Textiles takes your design from prototyping to production on site. We can source and assemble every component of the finished product. Contact us today to get started.